Hey, I'm Jamin Fraser. I'm a personal development coach, and I really help people solve the insecurity problem in their life so that they can show up without this fear of not being good enough. I think we all love the idea of change, but it's a lot harder than most people think, and it requires facing up to the pain rather than trying to just medicate it or mask it. I think people often imagine their problems are complicated and unique, and that's never the case. We all go through the same kind of challenges, just in different ways. So the answer is always simple and hard. So I take people through the simple and hard process of overcoming insecurity through clear steps and processes so that they actually eradicate that from their life and can show up present and unguarded in the real world and are free to be themselves. Like, there is no judgment. I tell people all the time, listen, I'm not another person who wants you to do something you don't want to do. You're the expert, it's your life. I'm just a skillful guide here to get you more of what you want. So they find it's a very rare conversation and a very beautiful conversation, and they're able to show up as themselves, and they watch themselves make lasting change, which is, wonderful. You can imagine the reward and the joy someone gets when they see lasting change show up in their life.